pagong. Tapos na kami sa Biga. Thank you, Biga. It was nice. It is the most nice place for like historical sites, museums, history. Maraming mga old houses pa din ng mga politicians and old people. So, yeah. Also, their buildings are nice. So, I recommend. Sayang nga lang, hindi pa namin masyadong enjoy kagabi. Kami lang sa hapon. Kasi all is well. Anyways, we're now on our way to La Union. 3 hours travel. We have a stopover. Dito sa Old Quirino Bridge na Potol. So, may picture lang kami. Look at the water. It's divided. Divided. And here's the bridge. It's Potol. Hi. Another stopover before La Union is this Baluarte Ruins Watchtower. Liit niya lang. Look, so cute. View niya is dagat. And ang init. Super. Very liit niya eh. Pero stopover lang. Ay! Magbatong payong. Magkupara ba nila payong? Wala kaya payong. Magkupa.
Ay, sarila.
Magkupa. Payong.
Summer rain on a window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind.
Actually, we're already in La Union officially. Kanina pa. Nag-isat kami sa Baluarte Tower and church na Magpagan Church. And now we're at Batu de Luna Gallery. Artworks made out of stones. I'll just pasyal muna for a little bit. Ang net. Look at it. Si Pagong. She's so cute. Gansi ang naka-wheelchair dito. It's just a building full of stone arts. Yeah. Very nice and cute. So quirky and cute. The entrance fee was 50 pesos per head. There are more like picture attractions. Oh my gosh, ang haggard ko na. Ang init pala dito. Parang Cagayan de Oro. But soon we'll go to Baguio doon. Lamig. Hopefully. Yeah, I think so. It is opposite dun. Pero pupunta kami ng Baguio bukas pa. Today, we'll stay at La Union for one night. Hopefully, I can do some beach activities and take photos. Yeah.
Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future.
Birthday girl, nagpainit. Nalingaw pa ang mama. Picture, may scan asa. Wala ra ba kay break te? Lahos bitaw ka. Nalingaw ang mama. Pati ang papa. Tanan stone picturean. Igang gid kayo guys. Igang gid kayo. Pag-green na kay ko. And mainit, nag-overheat na. Tanong likod ni ate. Nag-crop top na ganyan ko, nag-shorts. Igang, yapon kayo. Palamig kasi ang init. Pilan ako na yung ang init. Kasi mainit nga. Ang dami ding souvenirs dito. Just random souvenirs. Pero sa Baguio na kami mamili. Uy, di na mo! Taka gitu siya. Kapit mo wrong car si mama. Subawan the result ani guys. From init to malamig. It's a rainy day here at Laon. Are you okay? Naghanap na lang kami ng cottage na pwede namin tuluyan. Ang mahal. Pero sige na lang. And hindi naman masyadong malakas yung ulan. Humina na. So, mag-take pictures muna kami bago kami maligo. Going to the beach in a rainy weather. Yeah. Hi, Laon yun. Bakit naman kasi umulan? Hindi ko na makuha yung sunset beach pic ko. Pero nice naman. Naray angle na nice. Ganda lang. Same kahapon sa vegan. Mulan. Buti na lang nakapicture kami before talaga bumumagsak yung ulan. Yeah. So it's okay. Some about day. Let's enjoy the weather, guys. Sometimes rain or shine. Salamat. Tapos na kami mag-picture. Ligo kami ng dagat kahit ulan. Sa ahaka ko sila. Ilawang bago. Their spotted mother. Kailan na to kami minutes, 5 minutes. Or masya upol na dagat eh. 1,000. Ay, ano lang. Kasi tawagan na.
Masakit ko may analytical dagat na.
Okay, sige. Cloud. For cloud only, nakapunta ng Laon yan.
Or magamit ang atay.
Masyado pa El Nido eh. Layo ito El Nido. Pero dari kayo
Ay,
mga.
lahi ang dito eh. Kaya ang view lang na ato ako.
Wala na. Timing kayo. Di na sila ipaligo. Kaya balod na.
Kaya ano man.
Kaya balod. Sugusog na. Betong balod na naikuan sa ato. Magkusog pa na siya. Pero, parang naka-blue. Na nagdala og megaphone. Bawal na maligo. Timing. Tapos na kami. 1,000. Goodbye. Samok. Ilang eh. Balik na kami sa room. Magbihis for dinner. We will be eating dinner here at Cristante. Meron talagang sikat na restaurant dito pero ang daming tao. And then, yeah. So, dito na kami kasi more peaceful compared there. And I already checked kanina. Pwede rin daw. Kaya hindi kami dito mag-stay. Uy, ako na. Ako na nag-inom ang tubig na. Nasa tubig. Padain na ang tubig.
Astounded, and in amazement they ask, are not all these people
Forma outfit yarn. I-check out na kami. And we're going to explore before we go to Baguio. We're now here at Macho Temple, which is a Taoist temple. Formal outfit na natin kasi bawal yung sleeveless, short skirts, and any revealing tops kasi it's a temple. Ang init! Hindi siya, I mean, it's not sun. Hindi sun. Basta mainit. Anyways, we're done sa temple. Next stop would be Poro Lighthouse. Picture lang din doon. So far, so good yung trip nito. Thank you, Lord. And, yeah, by the way, we have an agency pala for hindi struggle. Kasi kasama yung sister ko na PWD. So as much as possible, comfort is key. Accessible lahat sa sister ko. But yeah, ang cons lang talaga is yung accommodation. Yung accommodation namin sa La Union is but yung sa Bigan is okay lang. We're here. Picture lang kami. Ang kaunti. Timing kami lang yung tao kanina. Ngayon, dumating na yung ibang tao. So yeah, we'll go na to our next destination. We're now here at Gapos Grape Farm for a photo op only. Walang bungay. Green pa, walang violet. Gusto yung green. Hello guys.